Listen when the candy sweet. I ain't wanna listen when the elders try to give me game. Take the meat, clean the bones, left and down the lane. Mom shouldn't tell me shit. Daddy fell on that field. So speaking on my next, gon' be niggas out in the next year. Speaking on my name, gon' get you fired like whoa. I get some respect here. I'm out. No, they gon' let me flex here. Oh my God. My right connecting with that ears. Kick them into the next gear. Set up down for the season. You ain't gon' see them till next year. Snow House. This ain't a label. Can we run it back? Can we run it back?
Yeah. Run that back, Turbo.
Bet that. Yeah. Turbo, running it back.
Yeah.
If y'all fucking with it so far, let me hear you say snow. Snow.
House.
Snow.
Okay.
Snow.
House.
You did.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm over here tangled the fuck.
Okay, I got it. Yeah. Hey, look, while y'all got a chance, man, follow me on Instagram at the real Snowy Freeman, not the other.
You know I fuck with you, right?
Yeah. While they was smoking on Gabby's weed, yeah, they really had the audacity to be mad and free. I opened up a path, you can tell, just look at the trash I leave. I ain't picking up no glass, I left that for the bed and clean. Smoke with the damaged jeans, chasing after candy dreams. GNS blue, can't listen when the candy screams. I ain't wanna listen when the elders try to give me gas. Left them in the down the lane. Mom shouldn't tell me shit. Daddy fell on their ears. Speaking on my next, go get niggas out in the next year. Time out. Fire like a dick here. No, I get some respect here. No, they gon' let me flex here. My right connecting with that ears.
Gotta need this beat, so I
Kick them into the next gear. Set them down for the season. You ain't gon' see them till next year.
Yeah. Now when I say snow, y'all say house, snow, house, snow, house, snow, house, snow, house. Yeah. What up, Soba? Hey, what up, man? Yeah. What up, y'all? Hey.
Kissing ass and pops is at me, so since we got that clear, answer with this shit. You can't see me without a patch me. I'm flying over niggas, I'm waiting on my attack to clear. Crushing in amigos like a can of beer. See, I was mixing in the strike. I can never do clear. Smoking purple reefer, these bars will give them a new fear. I reach a new tier. I don't see too many that hear it. You can hate it all you want, but the ending got people scared, and I don't care. Hit the mic, I got infinite air. Spitting since the youngest, so I guess it's a bit pretty clear. They can't stand me. I told them to pull up a chair, lean it back, roll up some weed. No remotes over there. Give them a soda watch. Look at the shock and the stare. You got a G-Shock, nostalgia could never compare. I'm elevated like I'm skipping the stairs. I keep my pride close to my hair, so I don't fight fair. Nah.
Once again.
Yeah, Freeman. Hey, now when I say snow, y'all say house, snow, house, snow, house, snow, house, snow. Yeah. Hey, look, bro, I push rhymes like weight, got my world on my back. I came equipped for the struggle, got my sword in my strap. Take a couple paces and draw, reload and relax. Then I leave it littered with cases, then come back to my raps. Count me out like pest control, I come exterminate rats. Can't terminate facts, pull from the perimeter, snap, stitch or a stack. Fuck them, I just leave it on wax. Every thought that I put out was probably kept in the back, locked in the box, kept away from humanly hands. Never thought I know what to do once I got this many fans. But everybody is critic when it comes to the jam, so I left them all in the dust, look like they soiled their pants. I'm usually by my lonely, I don't mess with their friends. Let's just say I'm the challenger, this where the champion is. You hit this revolving door, just hope the metal don't spin. I'm headed for 3 peats like Kobe did it for Nip. Freeman. Yeah. Now when I say snow, y'all say house, snow, house, snow, house, snow. Yeah. We hear y'all make some noise, man. Burn, let me get a yeah. I want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. Shout out JB Rockstar pulling up on us.
Let me fix my hair right quick.
Yeah. Can I talk my shit? I can talk my shit. Let me get a yeah. Bet that. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. 3.
Mic check 1 2.
4.
1 2 1 2.
What you wanna do? Yeah, Snow House. Yeah. Snowy Freeman.
Let me fix my hair right quick.
Look, I'ma talk my shit.
cause I'm the big dog. These pups, they stay barking. Don't acknowledge that shit, just stay cautious. Seen his colors and thought he was crib walking. Told him I don't bang him, went right into shit talking. I'm shit talking. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. Yeah. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. Cause I can back it up.
This ain't no water in my cup. Lemonade and whiskey. Told niggas give it up, cause they was aiming to get me. Saw that moms had a pump, so I got me a blicky. Sanitizer for the hands, case the shit got sticky. Keep the ace in my sleeve, case the shit get tricky. They don't like how I'm rockin', they solution is sticky. I ain't trippin' on them, know this side 12 gon' fit me. With a 9mm like New Orleans, my city. But I ain't banged out, ain't tryna smoke, don't wanna hang out. Watch me out, Bobby Boy's break gang out. Rinse a nigga like I'm trying to play drain out. Big body, yeah, I'm moving my own lane now. Elevator up, you ain't even dragging my name down. Flow season, like I walk around with a cane down. Chin check a nigga, show you how to set a lane down. Made my own space, they was riding on the same class.
Big dog. These pups, they stay barking. Don't acknowledge that shit, just stay cautious. Seen his colors and thought he was crib walking. Told him I don't bang him, went right into shit talking. I'm shit talking. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. Yeah. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. I can back it up.
Look, born in California, rooted in Oklahoma. Driving like a Texan with marijuana aroma. Learned all the ins and outs, no diplomas. Punchlines hit them and leave them in weed comas. Never too deep, one maybe three stoners. Been in street corners and switches and heat on us. Looking for them niggas, thought they had a lead on us. Life for the competition, couldn't let them bleed on us. Had to go and get in their head, strapped to the ear. What's cracking, gun packing, bitch, I'm mad of the year. No script, no props, cause we ain't acting in here. Let you think you got away and then get cracked in a year. I turned on stage like the cap on a beer. Anybody looking for me, you can tell them I'm here. Came to bat with a master, ain't no match in my tears. Mouthpiece gold, that's the here. See, I'm a big dog. These pups, they stay barking. Don't acknowledge that shit, just stay cautious. Seen his colors and thought he was crib walking. Told him I don't bang him, we're right into shit talking. I'm shit talking. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. Yeah. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. I'm shit talking, I'm shit talking. Cause I can back it up. Now when I say snow, y'all say how? Snow, 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 snow. I mean, hey, it's a lot of y'all that want this one. I ain't released it yet. I might soon. We'll see how y'all act tonight. What up, Sugar? What up, Snowy? We're here with this unsportsmanlike conduct.
Yeah, what up, Shuba?
Flag on the play.
Let me fix my hair right quick.
Yeah. Came to win the championship. No need to hanging with us for the championship. Work hard, play hard, that's the name of the game. Snowy T and Big Shooter like Curry and Clay. Try to the face, bucket every time we shoot. Keep attention from them like we about to call for salutes to make them a group, but do it ain't this we slept on. So make sure you come with your Teflon for this. I'm at a crossroads, so walking straight and narrow. Relax, withdraw from time to be arrested. Street action. Shit I shouldn't have, but love with a deep passion. To the point when I cut my eyes to 63 and Annapolis. 40,000 folks pouring in a leader passing. She busting up the back, walking people asking. When I get it, oh I got it. If you keep it casting, you can have it too. Just gonna shout and leave a leader basket. Good time liberated, cause we moving faster. Slow down and go to tickets up with just some masters. People try to hustle me up, give me a couple ashes. Call me felonious like that'll prevent me from but fuck that little homie, I need the blue on this on me out for the people that want me to get a living laugh. The road to a been lonely just to fulfill me and homie growing the world. I can show them how to go get the cannabis, yeah. Came to win a championship, no need to hang with us for the championship. Work hard, play hard, that's the name of the game. Snowy T and Big Shooter like Curry and Clay. Trash to the face, bucket every time that we shoot. Keep attention from like we got the call for solution. Make them a group, but doing that makes me slept on. So make sure you come with your yeah. Kept my disposition intact. The song was handed to me, so ain't no getting it back. Never threw my weight around, I only shifted it back. Put my toes to the ground, I had to brace for the impact. I've been that. Stamps and addresses, I said that. Now I'm on a mission to see if niggas can flip rap. I did that. Probably gonna have to send them a 6-pack. That's since I decided I wasn't attending kickbacks. Now I kick raps from Shaolin with a trick man. Razor sharp, hand spitting fire like a quick match. Dumping and reload like my style from a quick man. No more times. I'm only moving for big bands. Not rich yet. I was broke, I had to fix that. All-star team, come and see the man we pitch at. Not an outfielder if you couldn't comprehend that. Running with a playoff trophy, you couldn't win back. She came to win the championship. No need to hang with us for the championship. Work hard, play hard, that's the name of the game. Snowy T and Big Sugar like Curry and Clay. Straight to the face, bucket every time we shoot. Keep attention from them like we about to call for salute. So make them regroup. Do all that ain't meant to be slept on. So make sure you come with your Teflon for this one. Bitch. Yeah. Hey, what percent you say we was? Said 100% from the field? Yeah. When I say snow, y'all say house. Snow. Yeah. I'm Snowy Freeman, all platforms. Instagram at the real Snowy Freeman. Give it up for my brother Sue.
You did. Yeah. I hope y'all still got life, nigga. Aye. Man, I stay popping like a soda. Had to stash a BUK photo, stack the soda. Like Yoda cooking out. I push it together like a semicolon. All you see is gold, like I'm fucking frozen. Simple money, call it potion. Poppin', gotta go reloading. Tryna strike something like I'm bowling. We ain't playing cards, I ain't folding. But the flow sick of Demi Bowler. She rapping the talent looking like a toga. That's a hole in one like this, the US Open. Only seeing what you show 'em. Just because I'm laughing, that don't mean I'm joking. Just because I'm popping, that don't mean I'm holding. Don't mean that I'm holding, don't mean I ain't holding. Like it's really fast. Slow it when it's so much in my life, I do it. Middle Smith and West, make her focus. Call her booty, hope it's how I'm coping. Smile Mike, but she don't want to choke this. She on her knees, or she down to propose. And call her my head, bitch, so she chose. And getting hot by the light, she been frozen. Nigga, you know me, she was young like a fucking emoji. Drop it in the DK, hold me. Tell her I'm catching whatever she told me. Made that booty ring around the rosy, but I'm supposed to keep it low key. Damn. Ooh. Yeah.
Hey, 151. 151.
Hey,
151. 151. 151.
Yeah, I ain't tripping off the shit, boy. Even though I can Uber everywhere. Can't get my heart to no chick, boy. Nowadays, they are secondary, yeah. These niggas funny, call you Tuesday, but I can really say that you was never there. Tell them this, tell them never, tell them that. But tell them the truth, they were never there. So what they tell me, I ain't never cared. Looking back at it all, it was never fair. Red, but like I'm outside the club, I was never scared. I just switched my yellow on the red. She be thinking I'm trying to fuck with her head. I say, nah, I'm just trying to clear mine. Fuck some open arms, I want some open legs. That boy hopping on like he just seen the feds. Running things like he just seen the feds. Shit, I get it like it's nachos. Even if we out here talking pita bread. Keeping them tripping like what he said. Hear some of shit, all these speakers there. They connected like Wi-Fi, no internet. I'm the doctor, you live. Demon is blessed on the track, they can see the distance. Who the shoot, we gon' see the feet. Hating to talk about media, people like listen, but homie, that's 3 assists. Either way it go, you know that we rolling, and boy, I'll be damned if you see a live. It's like my niggas that was back at the suicide back in the day, we gon' keep it crisp. Yeah.
Hey, y'all give it up for Sue.
Let me hear you say 151,
Yeah.
I think I got one more. Is it one more?
Ooh, I think you got like 2 more, 3 more.
Hey, I ain't did this show set in a minute, so y'all gonna have to rock with your boy right quick. If y'all down to rock with me, let me hear you make some noise. That sound like everybody fucking with your boy. God damn, even that feedback fucking with your boy.
Is this next one what I think it is? Ooh. You know this my shit.
Alright.
Hey, let me hear y'all say, 151, 151, 151, 151.
Hey, a lot of that. When I get it, I'm not gonna know how to act. What you're making me question how I'm a pack. Probably gonna be rocking some artifacts. I believe it like I'm shitting on them. When need to be claimed, I should get it on them. Can't keep up with me, kids, I be switching on them. Don't make me do my, I'ma hit it on them. Bitch, I'm feeling like a lot of that and some more shit. Nah, I ain't got the time for whole shit. I'm on go with a hella throw, and they all know that I'm feeling like infatuation with the digits. I'm spinning, I'm flipping past, I'm getting dizzy. The bitches, the 50s motivate the mission. I'm in it to win it, and that's what we feeling like. A lot of that. In regards to the thoughts of my mind, to be reaching for better days. I gotta stand. If you ain't in my corner, that's ludicrous. Bitch, get up out the way, don't holler back. Tryna catch a hold of my flight, all you gon' do is catch the fade of my Cartier. I can feel that we well with the richer we get that we understand. Not for sack, getting watched by the laws of the time. It was digging my mama grave, but I kept her back. She knew it when I listened to it. She told me I better. That's what I don't care. Everything that I've been through, my mental won't fuck with a nigga say. Won't hear none of that. That's a thought to my temple could already fuck up a nigga day. So I'm making plays that'll make a way to some better days. Yeah, cause right now I'm up in the maze, but I cannot stay. Yeah, cause even though I'm a pot of gold and your boy was made, there the fact of it I was made. Clear that I can get paid there, so I'm out till I bring in a lot of that. When I get it, I'm not gonna know how to. Wardrobe making me question how I'm a bet. Probably gonna be rocking some artifacts. Have a nigga like I'm cheating on him. When it became, I just get it on him. Take me fuck with me, kids, I'll be switching on him. Gonna need them on. A lot of that is some more shit. Now I ain't got the time for whole shit. I'm on go with a hella thought, and they all know that I'm feeling like infatuation with the digits. I'm spinning, I'm flipping back, I'm getting dizzy. The bitches and cities, mother make the mission. I'm in it, winning. How do we feel like? Yeah. 151, 151, 151. It go. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. Yeah. I'm the king of this shit in my city, too cold with this shit. I just might make you see me out here chasing back to 1-5. Got plenty like here you go. And for believing it. And knowing I be mighty more after many. Anything you need to know, you can go get me. Up all night like a vampire, beat me till we outside swerving in the roads of the Bentley. Bank low, zeros on plenty. Me and those who came with me. These foes ain't friendly when they peeping you out here winning. Oh no, won't get me. On the gas, got my tires spinning with the bass being like Bobby Whitney, chasing a lot of that. When I get it, I'm not gonna know how to act. Wardrobe making me question how I'm a pack. Probably gonna be rocking some artifacts. Have a nigga like I'm shitting on them. But it be claim I should get it on them. Can't keep up with me, kids, don't be switching on them. Don't make me do my dance, I'ma hit it on them. Bitch, I'm feeling like a lot of that, that's some more shit. Now I ain't got the type of whole shit. I'm on go with it, hella throw, and they all know that I'm feeling like infatuation with the digits. I'm spinning, I'm flipping back, I'm getting dizzy. The bitches and 50s motivate the mission. I'm in it to win it, and that's what we feeling like. Yeah. Y'all fucking with me out there? Yeah. Y'all walking this motherfucker, ain't
Hey, that shit beat. That shit boom, bro. Hey, that's one of those, Jay.
Hit it on them.
I guess that shit. Hey, let me hear y'all one more time. Let me hear you say 151, hey. 151. Come on. 151, hey. 151, hey. Hold on.
What is Snow House? It's not a label.
It's a movement.
Fucking
This ain't a label.
It's a movement.
It's a movement. Hey man, shout out to everybody that came out tonight because y'all could have been doing something else. One more time. When I say snow, y'all say house. Snow. House. Snow. House. I mean, give it up for Sue.
Yeah. Give it up for my brother Snowy motherfucking Freeman. Hey, follow me 151.shoe on IG. That's all I got. I'm on platforms though. If y'all want to look up a nigga.
All right, let's give it up for Snowy Freeman and Shoe. All right, now we